In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Facebook app on your laptop or PC. So the simple steps you need to follow are go to the search bar and then type in Store and you will find the Microsoft Store. Select that. After that, this screen will be opened as you can see and we will maximize it. And as you can see, if we type over here Facebook, you will find the Facebook app. Now we can select it. And after that you can select Get, and now it will start downloading and installing on your PC. After it is downloaded, you can log into your account on Facebook and you can fully use the Facebook app. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!